All right, so I've been searching for some confetti, or like, the paper that you put inside of gifts, because when I make my packages, I like to make them look cute. So anyway, every time I go to the dollar store, I can never find the little confetti. So I was like, you know what, let me see if I can make some. Well, look, I went to Rite Aid and I brought some regular old construction paper because I just wanted to test it out, right? And I remembered that I had this little crimper. I forgot what I brought the crimper for, but I remembered that I had it. So what I did, I took some construction paper, I folded it in fours like this, right? And I put it inside this crimper, right? And look at this. So you put it through, it crimps the paper, right? And then I like it to be deeply crimped, right? So I put it through twice, all right, 3 times, right? So you can see the deep grooves in it, right? I guess you can see, right? Hello, thanks for joining. All right, so I got it folded in 4. So what I determined after much trial and error, I have to cut it, right? So let me do that. Because let me tell you, I wanted to get some from Uline, right? Uline only sold it in a 10-pound thing for $40. I'm like, I'm not spending $40 for some crinkle paper or some confetti that I'm going to put inside a gift and then give away, and then it's going to look cute, and then they want to throw it in the trash. So I was like, let me see if I can figure it out. So anyway, so now you got the little strips here, right? And so what you have to do from here is you have to cut them. Actually, you know what? Let me make them a little shorter. So I'm going to cut it down the middle, right? And then cut little strips like so. And then, guess what? Put them in the shredder. So hold on. My shredder is noisy, so give me a second. I'm going to put them in the shredder, and then I'm going to show you what they look like when they come out. Bear with me. Hang with me, grasshoppers. This is going to be a super fast live today. But I just had to share this. I was like, oh my God, I've been going crazy. And then look, isn't that cute? Got my own confetti. Oh my gosh, now I never have to buy it again. It is so cool. So if you want to know where did I get this from, Amazon. I don't know what it's called though. I just call it a crimper. Whatever it is. Okay, so let me just show you. If you just take it like this and you put it in, it will crimp it, but it'll be kind of flat, so it won't give you like the good indentation. So then I was like, what if I fold it, right? So once I folded it, and then I put it in, and it's pretty simple. Just run it through, right? So when I did that, I was like, okay, that's cool. It's nicely crimped, but what I discovered was once I ran it through, the shredder, I couldn't really see the grooves well, right? So then I was like, let me put it in again. So I put it in again, right? And then what I did was I just went back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, like so, to get the crimps really deeply, right? So then the first time I did it, I ran it through just like this, but it made the shreds really long. So then I realized, oh, I have to... And so then what I did was I cut it down the center like so. So then that way it'll give you short ones, right? And then you cut it like so, like so, like so. And then you run it through the shredder, and then it will give you short, crinkly pieces of confetti, right? So now here's the thing. This whole thing, which has, I don't know, 96 sheets, was $3, okay? Uline was going to charge me $40. And whenever I go into the dollar store to get them, they give me a little bag for like $1. So here I got like bags and bags, right? Every color. Now, these are not the colors I would normally use, right? Thank you for the likes. These are not the colors I normally use. And I think I would get a heavier weight paper, but I just wanted to test it out to see how well it worked. So I wanted like the hot pink because that's what I usually use when I ship out my stuff, because when people open their stuff, I like to look pretty, you know, like how I want to see it. So anyway, so I did purple, I did yellow, and then I did like a mixture of pinks. And hey, Robert, how are you? Thanks for the rose. I appreciate you. And so I really like it. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to find some of the paper that I really, really like, and like with a little heavier weight to it, and a brighter color. But for all intents and purposes, I'm very happy with it. You know, I love to create. Again, here's the crimper in case you didn't see it. I got it on Amazon. I really don't know what it's called, but it says Marvy is the name. And basically, you just put your item in like so. It crimps. And there you go. I think I got it originally for like potato chip bags or some other like treat thing that I was making. But anyway, I thought it was cute. So anyway, that's all I have. I said it was going to be super fast unless somebody has a question. I'm just going to go ahead and finish making the rest of my little crinkle paper. And if you order something from me, my shop is attached. You will get some of it in your package. So other than that, that's all I have for right now. I'm going to go back to making shower gels today. So I got some cooking right now. And I made some body butter earlier. So today I'm doing all my projects and trying to get them out of the way. But in the interim, I wanted to just come on and show you something that I thought was really cool. So that's it. That's all I have. Thank you so much for the likes. I appreciate you. Thanks for the follow, Miss Vicky. I will follow you back as soon as I get off the live. And, you know, if you have any questions or anything, you can always DM me. All right. Thank you. Have a good day.